Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you an easy tutorial on how to make part of your video black and white and the other part is color. So here I've already add a clip. So what you need to do to make some part black and white and some part color is just split the clips into some parts. So let's say I want to make the first part here until here black and white, so just split in here and then split again to where you want the black and white to start again. Okay, for example here. So what you need to do is just click on a clip, and to make it black and white, just go to adjust and lower the saturation of the clip to -50 like this. And now leave I'm going to leave this color, and the next part I'm going to lower the saturation again to make it black and white. And after that you are done, and this will be the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.